Hi, thanks so much for watching. My name is Culture, and in today's video I'm going to share with you this new product that I got in the mail. It's by Glam, and these are gel polishes. They also sent me a little UV light, which I'll show you in a second. I have my whole setup ready to do my nails. My nails have been cleaned and prepped. My hands look a little weird because I just put a bunch of sunscreen on them. I like to do that before I use a UV lamp, just for extra protection, because I have been doing my own nails at home more frequently, so I want to make sure that every time I put them in the lamp that they have some sunscreen on them. They are vegan, cruelty-free, 9-free formula, and HEMA-free. And if you want to check them out, you can find them on madamglam.com, and you can also find them on any of these social media websites. So let's get started. If you've never done your own gel nails at home, it is so easy. You just have to make sure you prep your nails really well. That means taking off any polish, any of your cuticle you want to scrape down, and then using some alcohol to really dehydrate your nails so that your gel polish has something to grip to on your natural nails, and there isn't any product on there which is going to make it either come off sooner or slip right off. And then making sure that you're curing it at the right times with your light. And then also when you polish it on to your nails, you don't want to have any residual nail polish on your skin. You can also use all of this on your toes, so you can have a really pretty pedicure as well. So unfortunately, right after I did the base coat on my left hand, I was gonna start adding the color, and then my camera showed me that I needed to charge my battery. And I haven't purchased a second battery yet, so I had to charge it. And while it was charging, I went ahead and did my right hand. This is this color right here, which is XOXO. By far my favorite. I just love nude colored nails. I don't like a lot of attention on my nails, so this is so perfect. The color is beautiful. And then what I did was added this rosy nude to my ring finger, and it's very pretty. I love this pale pink. So this is a much thicker formula than this one. So the cure time for this one with the mini light is 2 minutes, and this one only needed 30 seconds. So I only did 2 coats of the rosy nude, and then I ended up doing 3 coats of the XOXO to get this look here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start on the left hand, and this time I'm going to start with Perfect Red. And the key is for gel nails, if you have never done them before, you wanna have a thin layer each time you polish your nail with either the colored polish or the base coat or the top coat, so that the light can cure your nails, your nail polish really easily. If it's a really thick coat, you might need more time, but as long as you do a thin coat, it will cure your nail polish each step of the way. All right, so a super thin layer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and polish the free edge. And then I have this little tool right here that I just have already, and then I like to clean up any polish that is on my skin so I don't cure it. Now I'm gonna go with XOXO and do the rest of my nails. So as you can see, it's just a very light, very thin formula, and the color is very neutral. So pretty. Now it's time to cure it. Okay, so this one, just like the rosy nude, will take 2 minutes to cure, and then this one is only 30 seconds to cure. So since that was 30 seconds, I'm only gonna do my ring finger now. Okay, so going in with the next coat. So now it's time to put on the top coat, and same thing with the top coat. You want to make sure you also get that free edge so that your nail polish doesn't lift too early. And after you've you've cured your nails and you know you're done, you want to take a cotton ball and saturate it with some alcohol and then wipe off the kind of sticky, slippery stuff on the top. And then you have your DIY manicure, gel manicure, all done. Touch your nails, they feel just like nail polish and you don't have to wait for them to dry at all. So I wanted to show you that on this hand I did 3 coats of the XOXO, 2 coats of the Rosy Nude, and then on this hand I decided to just do 2 coats of the XOXO so you can see that you can actually build the color up. You can keep it either nice and light like this or make it just a touch darker by adding more layers of polish. And that perfect red is so gorgeous. So I'm going to kind of clean my hands of all this sunscreen and then I'm going to apply some cuticle oil and then I'll show you the end result. Okay, so I put just some regular hand cream on and then I put some cuticle oil on my nails and here they are. And again, this mini light is great if you take it on the go. If you don't have a lot of space and you don't want a big light, you can also just put this in your purse. Do this at a hotel room. It's so easy to take along. Doing your own gel nails at home is so much more affordable than going to get them at the salon. I used to get my nails done all the time and I would spend at least $100 to $150 a time to get a full manicure and pedicure gel nails. I was going to really good spots that made sure that they took care of my nails and had really good customer service, and then I would tip really well on top of that. So instead of doing all of that, I now can do it in the comfort of my own home. I can change out my colors as often as I want. Literally will get ready, sit down, do my nails in less than 10 minutes, and then I have really pretty gel nails to go out, and I didn't have to schedule an appointment. I didn't have to spend 2 hours at the salon, and I just did it at home, which is so, so nice. So thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me this gel polish kit. It is beautiful and so easy to use. If you guys want the information for this kit, I'll leave all the information down below along with the discount code that you can use. Yes, I said a discount. They were so nice enough to include a discount when they send me these products. And let me know if you have any questions down below. I will answer every single one of them. Let me know which one is your favorite color, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.